Hey, what is up again everyone? This is Ron and I'm back again with a brand new video here on my channel, Rock on Ron. So for today, we are going to install lights on this awesome RC car, the WLtoys 124019. Alright, and the thing is, I'm going to use cheap but quality bicycle signal lights that I got for less than $1 each. So, if you own the specific RC car, the WLtoys 124019, or any other type of WLtoys RC, or any other brand of RC, then you might want to watch this, because this is a cheap, affordable, and easy to install upgrade that you can do for your RC car. Alright, awesome. So without further ado, let's go ahead and play the video. Let's get it on, turn the lights on, and rock on. Alright, so now we're going to install this bicycle signal lights on this RC car. So first, let's go ahead and take a quick look on these lights right here. Okay, closer look. So this is how it looks like. It's made of plastic, it's pretty compact, and as you can see, there's only one button. So for you to turn this on, you have to long press on this button for 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, awesome. So this is how it looks like once it light up. Okay, so right now it is blinking. So by the way, these lights have 3 modes. The one is blinking, the one is like it's dancing, and the one is steady. Okay, so this is like, I call this the disco mode. Okay, so once you press on the button one more time, it will turn into blinking mode. Alright, awesome. So if you press on it once again, it will go back to the previous version, which is the disco mode, and press it one more time, the light goes steady. Alright, awesome. And for you to turn this off, you have to long press on the button once again for 3 seconds. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn it off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how you turn it off. So yes, so by the way, once you buy these lights, on every piece of these lights, there is like this rubber band included. So you use this rubber band to attach this light to the bicycle surface or bicycle tubing. Okay, so you use this to attach this light to anything that you can attach it to. Okay, so we're going to check on that later. And also, this light is rechargeable by a USB, and this cable is included via USB. Okay, you can charge this on any cell phone charger. Okay, just insert it on any USB charger and you're good to go. Alright, so by the way, also this light has 3 colors. Okay, so the one is white, the one we tested, and this is the red one. Okay, once again, long press for 3 seconds. It will turn on. This is blinking. 3 modes. The one is steady. Alright, awesome. So long press one more time and it will turn on. And the third option is the combination of blue and red. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, so this resembles like the lights on the police car. Alright, awesome. Okay, so press on it one more time, it will blink. Alright, awesome. And on the steady mode, it emits like a pinkish color, because this is a combination of blue and red. Alright, awesome, which is suitable for my RC. The color is pink. Okay, awesome. Okay, so now we're going to install this and we're going to do a quick montage on these lights. Okay, awesome. Alright, so now we're going to install this bicycle signal lights on this RC car. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and start on the front. Alright, so on the shock towers, you will see this triangular hole. Okay, right there. Okay, so with the included rubber band, that's where this rubber band should go into, so that the light can attach on the shock towers. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert this rubber in that hole. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, easy as that, and there you go. So that's how it should look like with the rubber band on. Okay, so now we're going to attach the light. Okay, so as you can see on the slides, there is this 4 attachment part right here. That's where the rubber should attach to. Okay, so let's go ahead and install this right now here. Just 1 second. And you have to stretch the rubber so that it will be easier. Alright, just 1 second, and easy as that, and there we go, it is installed on the front. And also I put some screws on the shock tower so that it will be more secured. As you can see right here, there's 2 pieces of screws right here, and there you go, it is installed. Okay, it looks awesome. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So the white light is suitable for the front. It resembles like a headlight. Alright, awesome. So let's turn up the background light and see how bright it is. It's pretty bright. Okay, it looks awesome. So suitable for night riding. Alright, so now let's go ahead and install the red lights at the back. So you can repeat the process that you did on the front. So on the back, once again on the shock towers, you will see a triangular hole, and you can repeat the process just like on the front. But it can be tricky, so what I did was I put some zip ties on the attachment for the spoilers right here and on the gearbox right here. So this is how I did it. So it's up to you, you can repeat the process just like the one on the front, but this is how I did it. Okay, so I'm going to install it right now. Just 1 second. It can be tricky to install on the back. It's more easier on the front. Okay, there we go. So this is how I did it. So now it is installed. Okay, it looks awesome. Okay, that's how it looks like. So now the other light that resembles the police car lights, you can install this on the top of the car, and that will look awesome. Okay, so let's try to put this on the top. Okay, just 1 second, and that's how it will look like. Looks like a police car. And also, if you did some further customizing, you can insert these lights underneath the car so that it will resemble like the cars from the Fast and the Furious. I don't know what do you call that, like an ambient light, like that. It looks awesome. So yeah, so there you go. So that's how you install these lights. So once again, there's so many ways to install this light, so it's up to you how you will install it. But once again, you only have to use this rubber bands. It's easy to install. So now let's go ahead and do a quick montage of this lights on. Alright, awesome. Alright, so that wraps up our video for today. I've had fun installing lights on this awesome RC car, the WLtoys 124019. Alright, so cool, so awesome. So yeah, once again, you can use bicycle signal lights as lighting on your RC cars, and it is a cheap and easy to install upgrade that you can do for your WLtoys RCs or any other brand of RCs. Alright, so cool, so awesome. So yes, once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see and if you find this video helpful, then hit the subscribe and the like button. I will appreciate it. Thank you so much. So once again, this is Ron. Rock on, stay awesome, and have a good one.